Welcome to clickmeproject.com. So we're seeing now multiview partition via tensor method. In this project we have to clustering the heterogeneous datasets. So in existing process we have to using homogeneous datasets. We have to clustering datasets. In heterogeneous dataset is the most different from homogeneous datasets, because it is the various various disease wise to have to clustering these datasets. In knowledge discovery process in medical system, it is the crucial information we need to clustering, mean it is the most important for this work. So this process we have to start our project. Now we are seeing for flow diagram about this process. We have to import the data source, and then we need to find out the spectral clustering rule wise. We need to find the similarity matrix. Then we have to find three formula. That first formula is trees maximization and problems of object function and matrix integration. This formula wise we have to we have to find the clustering performance. So which one is best, whether it is compared to problem trees maximization and object function, whether which one is the best, we can to find this formula wise. It will be change for every process, every dataset wise. Now we are seeing how to execute it in this process. This is our project. Can run overall package now. This is our project mainframe. This mainframe we have to import the heterogeneous datasets. Data source creator. First thing that import and import the datasets. We are importing heterogeneous datasets. Dataset 1 I have to import now. Then we have to import dataset 2. Then 3. Likewise we have to import 4.
How is that? One day
So now we had completed import the datasets. This is similarity matrix find out form. This similarity matrix find out form how to we can find similarity matrix means spectral clustering rule wise we can to find for each data sets similarity matrix. Why we are generate the similarity matrix means it is the common way for understand for all data source. Now we can start our algorithm process. This is the first one for our algorithm for algorithm in trace maximization. Combine the process, find and normalization will be success. Get the central value using for key means clustering. Key means clustering start that work. Final partition value we had find now. NMA in the error value wise we could clustering now. Then evaluation graph for this algorithm. Now we can find the object problems num object function. We can take similarity tensor matrix and unfold matrix, any one similarity matrix, that means combine that normalization, get the centroid value and get that value and key means clustering starting now. NMA and array value can find now. This is our for MC and F for OI value and then graph showing here. Finally we can find the matrix integration value. This is also we can take similarity tensor and unfold matrix anything one. Now session will be completed. Get the centered value and get the centered value. Key means clustering started. Final partition value. NMA and the array value. Graph. About that NMA and the array value. So this process via which one is best we can find too easily for NMA and array values value wise. That means this NMA and array value is using clustering heterogeneous data set. Thank you.